Hello viewers, this is Dr. Mwape speaking. I'm here to introduce to you MwapeFX. At MwapeFX, we deal with financial services. We usually mentor people in financial services, to be specific, the Forex market. At MwapeFX, we have got a number of products or services that we offer. Number one, we offer technical analysis. The second service that we offer at MwapeFX, we offer binary options. The third thing that we offer at MwapeFX is fundamental trading. The fourth thing that we offer at MwapeFX is cryptocurrency trading. Then the other thing, we also have automated trading. We also guide and mentor people in automated trading. At MwapeFX, we have got our own made robot that are able to execute trades on behalf of a Forex trader 24-hour service. What are these automated trading? We have got many robots that we built under MwapeFX. The first robot, another example of a robot that we built is the Z-Pride. The Z-Pride, this is an EA or EA expert advisor that can trade on behalf of a Forex trader 24-hour service. You don't need to monitor any trades. You don't need to look at any charts. The only thing that you need to do is run the EA on the pair that you want it to run on and leave the rest for the robot to do anything. The only thing that you'll be required to do is just monitor how much profits it's making. Those are the only thing that you need. You don't need any experience for you to start making money or to start participating on the Forex market. Once you have got these robots, there's no problem. For those who feel like they need to have the knowledge, as I said, we mentor technical analysis, fundamental analysis, binary options, cryptocurrency trading. To get in touch with us, you can use the contact details on the screen.